What's the meaning of Bleak House? Bleak House. Bleak House.
Bleak House. Bleak House. Bleak House is a novel written by Charles Dickens, first published in 1852. The title refers to the fictional estate of Bleak House, which is the central location of the story. The term bleak is used to describe the overall mood and atmosphere of the novel, which is one of despair, misery, and hopelessness. The story explores themes of social inequality, corruption, and the injustice of the legal system. Through its characters and plot, it paints a vivid portrait of Victorian England and the various social and economic issues that plagued the country during that time. Overall, Bleak House is a powerful and thought-provoking work of literature that still resonates with readers today.